Exercise 14.3, Question 1. Draw any line segment PQ. Without measuring line segment PQ, construct a copy of line segment PQ. So we have to draw any measurement of line segment PQ and we have to measure. Without measuring, we have to construct the copy of line segment PQ. So, solution. Steps of construction. 1. Given line segment PQ whose length is not known. So students, first of all we will draw line segment PQ whose length is not known. So let us draw line segment PQ. So we will draw line segment PQ of any measurement and let us label PQ. Step number 2. Fix the compass's pointer on P and the pencil end on Q. The opening of the instrument now gives the length of line segment PQ. So let us see in this construction. We will fix the compass pointer on P and take the distance pencil point on Q. This opening of the compass is the measurement of line segment PQ. Now let us see step number 3. Step number 3. Draw any line L. Choose the point A on L without changing the compass setting. Place the pointer on A. So students, first of all we will draw any line L. So let us draw line L. So we will draw any line L. Then as we have taken the distance of PQ and this setting we should not change. Then we have to mark a point A on L. So let us mark a point A on L. Now taking A as a center without changing distance, we will mark one arc. Now let us see step number 4. Step number 4. Draw an arc that cuts L at point B. So let us see this step in figure. So students, here we have drawn an arc that cuts line L and we have to give this name as AB. So what is the conclusion? This AB line segment is a copy of line segment PQ. Why? We have taken the measurement of PQ and without changing this distance we have drawn another line segment AB on L. Hence let us write conclusion. Hence line segment AB is the copy of line segment PQ. Question number 2. Given some line segment AB whose length you don't know, construct line segment PQ such that the length of line segment PQ is twice that of line segment AB. Answer 2. Solution. Steps of construction. Step 1. Given line segment AB whose length is not known. So first of all students, let us draw line segment AB whose length is not known. So students, this we have drawn line segment AB of any measurement. Step 2. Fix the compass's pointer on A and the pencil end on B. The opening of the instrument now gives the length of line segment AB. So students, we will take the compass and we will measure AB line segment with this compass and this opening we will keep the same. Let us do this in the figure. So students, let us fix the compass on the pointer A and the pencil end on B. Now this opening we will keep same. Step 3. Draw any line L. Choose a point P on L. Without changing the compass's setting, place the pointer on Q. So let us draw any line L and choose a point P on L. Then distance of length AB we will take and we will make an arc, and that arc that cuts L at a point R. So let us draw this in figure. So students, first of all we will draw any line L. Then this distance of the compass, that measurement we will keep as it is. We will take a point P on a line L. Then taking P as a center, we will draw one arc. And this arc which cuts on L, we will name as R. Now let us see another step. Step 5. Now place the pointer on R and without changing the compass's setting, draw another arc that cuts L at a point Q. So with the same distance, we will place our pointer on R and we will make up another arc and label it as point Q. Let us see in the figure. So students, here we have keep our pointer on R and we have to draw an arc. And this arc we have to write it as Q. So students, you can see PQ is twice of line segment AB. Hence, let us write conclusion. Hence, line segment PQ is the required line segment whose length is twice that of line segment AB.